Let's fill out the California dirt bike bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID, and on the title, a nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading, write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Let's walk through what you need to know about completing a dirt bike bill of sale in this state. First up, signatures. Both the buyer and the seller need to sign this document. And here's the important part: it must be signed and submitted under penalty of perjury. So take that seriously and make sure everything you write down is accurate and truthful. Next, let's talk about the title. In this state, you'll be working with what's called a certificate of ownership. Make sure this document is properly transferred along with your bill of sale so the new owner can establish their legal ownership of the bike. Now for the odometer. You'll need to disclose the cumulative mileage registered by the odometer. That simply means you write down the total miles showing on the odometer at the time of the sale. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.